Hello, welcome to iMobie. If you encounter problems such as freezing, no response, or abnormal errors while using AnyEnhancer, it may be caused by a variety of reasons, such as network environment, system compatibility, or program abnormalities. Submitting a log file can help the technical team accurately locate the root cause of the problem and provide you with a more efficient solution. Please rest assured that the log file only records error information and technical parameters and does not contain your personal data or privacy content. This video will introduce you 3 ways to submit log file. Method 1. Submit log file via AnyEnhancer. First, click the Settings button in the upper right corner of the software page, and then click the Set Feedback option. The feedback will automatically attach the log file. Then fill in the information as required. Briefly describe the relevant information of completion. Then, click Submit. The second method is to send it through a ticket. Log in to the iMobie official website and click Support. Select Contact Support Team. Fill in the relevant information as required. Briefly describe the problem encountered, and the log files. The default of log file path is this PC local disk C users iMobie app data, roaming iMobie AnyEnhancer error log. Then select Load System to add it. After adding successfully, click Submit a request. When you submit successfully, you will see the following page. The third method is to send it via email. Open the email box, select Send Email, and enter the email address sent to cs@imobie.com. Fill in the subject, briefly state the problem, and choose to add an attachment. The log file here is the same as the second method. After adding successfully, click Send. Then click the Send option to check whether it is sent successfully.